Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy. I am the budgeting nurse and today I have another cash stuffing video for you. Today we are going to be cash stuffing the second paycheck of January. My pay periods are a little weird. I get paid on the 10th and the 25th, but the 25th I use it for the next month coming up. So this will be the second paycheck for January for my pay periods. We are going to be cash stuffing $760, so let's get into this. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please make sure to leave them down below. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. So, okay. So let's fix this. Okay, so we are going to start with my daily envelopes, and what I'm going to do is anything that's left in here will go into my debt folder, my debt envelope, so that way everything, because I am trying to pay off debt, so everything that I don't use is going to go straight to debt. So it looks like we have 20 from couponing. I barely couponed this week. My cats, I'm not going to move theirs because, like I said, I'm really trying to get Demon neutered. And we have 10 from Miscellaneous. We don't have anything in there, and that's just gonna go into debt. And at the end of the month, or I would say like to the end of February, I'll take everything out and put it towards my student loans, because student loans is the one thing I'm really trying to pay off. So let's get into it. So we have groceries, and like I said, groceries is not gonna get stuffed only because I do have the PEBT and we have a lot of money on there, so I will just be using that. We have gas, and gas is going to be getting $100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, and that is going into gas. I use about $50 worth of gas a week. And for those of you who think that's a lot, I do live in San Francisco, and it's one of the most expensive cities to live in. And I'm trying to leave. But yeah, gas is super expensive out here. It's almost $5 a gallon, you guys. Crazy. So for couponing, I'm gonna put $40. So it's 20, 40. And I don't think I'm gonna be doing any couponing this week, so let's see if that even gets moved. For personal, we are gonna get $40. Let me fix that. That's bothering me. Yeah, it's a little better. For Demon and Momo, my cats, they are going to get $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. My God, this envelope. How do I fix that? So for Demon and Momo, they now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So $200 to get this little one neutered. That's bugging me. For Miscellaneous, that's going to get $50. So 20, 40, 45, 50. So that's 20, 40, 45, and 50. Family fun is going to get $40. And that's just in case I want to take my son out, you know, buy him something once a week. And my debt is not getting stuffed. So that's for that one. Now we're going to be doing our sinking funds. So Sway, which is my son, he's going to get $20. And so now he has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, $60. Oh, never mind. He has more. Let's recount that. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay, 70, you guys. Emergency is going to get $30. So 20, 25, 30. So emergency now has 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. And I want to really build this one up because just recently my son had an emergency and it was scary. If I didn't have an emergency fund, I don't know what I would have done. And this one too, medical. So medical is going to get $20. And medical now has, is that it? Okay, yeah. So $120. Okay, car maintenance is going to get $100. And let me tell you guys why I'm stuffing this one. As you can see, this one's empty because I took out the money that was in here. I had a flat the other day and I called the tow truck. And the tow truck wasn't able to get my tire off because one of my bolts was stripped. So I had to call a friend over and I had to pay him to actually be able to get that bolt off. And I'm telling you that this took like, I want to say like 3 or 4 hours to actually get that bolt off. And once that bolt was off, I had to go buy a whole new set of tires. So yeah, I'm so glad I'm starting this because I don't know, this car, man. Well, luckily I won't be needing tires for a while, but still, cars are expensive, you guys. Why do I want a car? I don't even know, but I need it. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and $100 for car maintenance. Man, it's crazy. But this is why we're starting the sinking funds, right? Hopefully when all these are like complete, I won't have to worry about it. So car registration is getting $40. I'm going to do that in fives. I don't know why. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Well, let's do 20 and 20. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay. And how much is in here already? $100. So car registration now has 100, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So $140. Car insurance is gonna get $50. Oh my god, it's gonna go in fives. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh my god, you guys. Did I mess this up? I think I messed this up. 50. I think I messed this up. Okay, well, this is what car insurance is gonna get. So, so now car insurance has 100, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So $150. And then I'll figure it out. Christmas is not going to get stuffed. Savings is going to get $10, which should be the rest of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So now savings has 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $110. Okay, and retirement and home fund are not going to get funded today. All right, so that is the end of my cash stuffing. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, I am open to it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.